The Sixth Commandment of God. The Sixth Commandment, found in the Bible in Exodus 20:13 and Deuteronomy 5:17, states, "You shall not murder." This commandment is a fundamental moral directive that forbids the unlawful taking of another person's life. Here's a deeper look into its significance. 1. Value of life. The commandment underscores the intrinsic value and sanctity of human life. It reflects the belief that life is a gift from God and should be protected and respected. 2. Moral foundation. By prohibiting murder, the commandment establishes a foundational ethical principle for society. It promotes respect for others and the importance of resolving conflicts without resorting to violence. 3. Legal and social implications. In many societies, the prohibition against murder is enshrined in law, reflecting its importance in maintaining order and justice. It serves as a basis for legal systems and social norms that protect individuals from harm. 4. Broader interpretation. While the commandment explicitly addresses murder, many religious and ethical traditions interpret it more broadly to include prohibitions against actions that may indirectly lead to harm or death, such as excessive anger, hatred, or negligence. 5. Religious teachings. In Christianity, the Sixth Commandment is part of the 10 Commandments, which are considered a summary of God's moral laws. Jesus, in the New Testament, expands on this commandment by teaching that even anger and insult toward others can be morally wrong, emphasizing the commandment's deep spiritual implications. 6. Philosophical reflection. The commandment raises important questions about justice, ethics, and human nature. It prompts reflection on why and how people should value and protect each other's lives, contributing to broader discussions about morality and human rights. Overall, the Sixth Commandment is a crucial element of ethical teaching, reinforcing the importance of respecting and preserving human life.